What is going on, everyone? It's Fire with Coins, and today I have a product review for you. Before Christmas, I was contacted by TOMLOV microscopes. I use their products, and they wanted me to do a product review for you guys on one of their brand new scopes. And I said, sure, I will do that. Well, it came after Christmas, and I was going to try to get one out before the New Year's, but because of work and everything, I couldn't. So, better late than never. We're going to open up this box from TOMLOV. You see their microscopes all over Amazon and in the internet, and I'm going to show you a real-life review of their scope. So let's open it up and see what all comes in the box. Oh, it's a big box with a tiny box. So, all these small little packing cubes that are awesome for popping. My kids will love those later on. And a packing slip. So, we'll throw the big box away. And here we go. This is what they sent me. The TOMLOV 7-inch digital LCD microscope model DM201. There it is. So I already have a digital microscope. But they're like, well, we're going to send you a new one so you can give a review on that. And here we go. So let's open up the box. Beautiful packaging. Make sure that screen does not get broke. A user manual, which I'm a guy, so we're just going to throw that away. And let's get, that's the scope. We got some charging cords and some probably sync cables. Ooh, a microfiber cleaning cloth, which is always nice. A plug-in, which my last one that I got did not come with a wall plug-in. An HDMI cable, so we can hook it up straight up to the TV for us blind folk. Oh, there's the stand for it. A thingamajig, a thingamabobber, if you're a Little Mermaid fan. And the stand. Alrighty. So let me get all this stuff unwrapped and organized, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so I got everything unwrapped and everything. So this is the base. It comes with two LED lights, so we can get some nice viewing of the coins or anything small. They come already attached, which is awesome. The back here, we got the power. Maybe. No. Dang it. I don't know what that is. Probably the power. No. So USB-C for the power, and that is going to be for output to your computer. So charging and to the computer. Yeah, I kind of know what I'm talking about. So, all right. So there we go. Now, this big thing right here, this is the stand. So this is going to screw in to that. And then this right here, when you screw it down, you'll tighten it down even more with that. And then here, this is where the microscope's going to actually connect to. So they come all the way in. You're going to have to screw them all the way out to get that microscope in there. So let's put that to the side. We'll screw that in. And right about there. And now we will tighten it down with that black screw right there. So right here, this is a little bolt, 1/2 inch, and you just loosen that up and you can change this forward or backwards. Mine was a little bit forward, but the manual says that they're shipped perfect, but you know, shipping. All right, so there we go. And now this right here is gonna go down into the little holder there. We can turn it around, make sure that it gets seated all the way. You can see right there, it got seated all the way. All right, so for the cords, I was a little wrong. I said that this was for the computer, not in fact. So these right here get powered through the battery that's up here. So you have to hook up the USB-C cord and follow it down to there. And then this one will get hooked up to the power. So the power goes in, powers these, and then this powers the scope. So there is 2 cords, and then to the computer, you can use HDMI and I want to say USB, but I'll check on that as we go. Alrighty, well, we got it all set up, all the wires plugged in. I had to do a little bit of diagnostic on how to hook it up to my Mac because we're a Mac family, not as easy as a PC. But anyways, so here's the power button. Push that in. And I was gonna wait till we're on camera to pull that beautiful thing off. So here we go. This is how you focus it. Got a $50 right here. Let's put it underneath the microscope. 77D, we're gonna look for that double die on trust. It's not there, but we can bring this down, focus it. Get in there nice and deep like. And there's still plenty of room underneath the microscope to move the coin around. Beautiful picture. Right here, touchscreen for your lights, which is awesome. And then we have these other lights. We don't actually need these lights for just general purpose, but let me see if I can find that. I had a 72 in here that I was looking at that kind of looked like that was a no FG. So here's that 72. We'll put it underneath there. And from there, it kind of looks like you can kind of see the top of the G now. But we take this part in there. You get those shadows illuminated and you can see the G like plain as day. Take that away. It kind of blends in. You bring in that side lighting and bam, you can see it. So not the FG. We'll toss that one back. But alrighty, so let me get this attached to the computer. So we're gonna plug it in to the USB-C port on the computer. And then up here, I might have to turn this back off and back on. Let's see if I have to do that. Turn it on. Boom. All right, so USB, press OK. Press OK. And now it's gonna switch to computer mode. And with that, we come over here to the Mac, and the screen leaves there, but there it is. Put a coin underneath the microscope, and bam, there it is. So, beautiful picture up there. There's a 74D, not the DDO. But I love how there's no lag at all. And we can change the focus, and it changes right away. So beautiful picture. You can blow this up on a computer screen, or you can use the HDMI and put it on a TV. So if you have a small TV, like a 32-inch, you can put it on there. Well, so far with the setup and just the little bit of me using the scope, I can definitely tell you that it has a beautiful picture. There are a slew of menus here where you can change the different effects, which my other scope did not have. And you can go through here and fine-tune it for what you want. But the awesome thing about this is you can bring it all the way up. Gotta go this way. And we can do a full $50 picture. So it has a nice black background. You can change the lighting and get some lighting on that coin. So if you're wanting to sell a coin, right there, you can take a beautiful picture, get the lighting just right, and you can take a full snapshot on here. $50 is definitely the biggest you can go. You can do like a half of a Morgan or something. But there we go. Beautiful scope, guys. Definitely enjoy this scope. Definitely recommend it to anyone out there if you're looking for a beautiful digital scope for your coin or other needs. I would definitely go with TOMLOV. Super awesome people. I chatted with them on email about their products and everything. So this is the 7-inch LCD. You can find them on Amazon and everything. But here's a scope on their webpage. Click on that again, sorry. So this one right here, I actually don't know how much it is. Where to buy? I want to say it was like $170, I want to say, for the scope. LCD microscope, the 7-inch. So this one, $159. So $159. And then if you want, there's different models as well. But there we go. So yeah, so $159. I will have a link to buy that scope on this video once I get one from TOMLOV. I had to make a video before they would give me one. But here we go. My review of the TOMLOV 7-inch digital microscope is thumbs up. It's actually a double thumbs up. I love the clarity of the picture. I love the ease of use. I love how bright the LCDs are, and the brightness of the LCD does not distort the coin itself. So meaning if you're looking for errors, the LCDs can actually kind of give you fake DDOs. It highlights the edges of like the valleys and everything will actually look like doubling, but it really isn't. So, all right, there we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up if this was informational, and we'll see you guys on the next video.